What's up, guys? Welcome back to the spot. Hopefully we can kill some boredom today. So I got a guy, he got a lawnmower, he bought a new blade, and he need me to do a blade swap for him. So this is gonna be a little quickie, just swapping out a blade, and I'm gonna clean his carburetor. Let's get it, guys. Okay, so my camera died, but what I ended up doing was cleaning the carburetor. And after cleaning the carburetor, it fired right up. As you see, the gentleman, he saw it was up. He ended up taking it, going to make some money so he can pay me. And he just brought it back last night. And what he needs me to do now is install his new blade. He took the old one off, and he say after he took it off, he just didn't trust himself to put it back on. He didn't want himself or anyone to get hurt. So he brought it to me. So we're gonna throw it on. So there's currently no blade on it. So we're gonna put the blade on and then fire it up. Installing blades are really easy, guys. Especially when the old one's already taken off. Alright. So what I did is put a weight down over there. Now there's currently no blade. Poor lighting, but y'all get the gist. So let's get his spindle nut out, spindle bolt. Okay. This is his blade. He wanted a flat blade, so he say he wants to give up lift and mulch for revs, and that's a good idea because this is a low lift right here. That way it'll be low drag. Also, the price of that is less uplift when you're cutting grass, because how it works, it makes a vacuum suction, and that sucks the grass or lifts it from the grasses like this. It helps lifts it up. On this particular mower, it has combs to assist on that job, but he's gaining a few more revs to add more lift that the blade itself will make. But enough talking. This blade he also got so when he gets on yards to thatch, that you can put bristles in here and do a thatch job. But really easy. There's a star. Make sure the blade you get is the correct blade orientation on the center as your spindle. Here's it set up right, and you would know it when you get it. It falls into place like that. Okay, he got something going on. I don't know what he did, but oh, he was using that as a washer. Okay, we can do that. He also gave me all of the bits that came with it. So how I am going to set it up is I'm going to take my bolt, put a big washer on it. That's just because I have it. And it's really, really easy, guys. Make sure the orientation of your blade is correct. Right here with the angle pointing upward, because you want the grass to go up into it. Okay, and you line it up and it pops on really easy. Also, oh, he has the washer. We don't even need this right here. I didn't even notice it, but yeah, so this is the washer that comes on it. Has two little tabs right there and right there, and what those tabs do is they help lock the blade in one fixed location so it doesn't spin and twist while it's on your spindle or cutting. So you can just line it up really easy. That's it. Let me put the washer on. And you don't need nothing else. This is all you need, guys. All right, I'm spraying on the threads, just some all-purpose lube, nothing fancy. All right, now let's get her in there. Just for reference, it's a 5/8 bolt. In case y'all are working, it's pretty universal on most machines. So what I like to do is get it tight, and then after I get it to where I'm spinning the blade also, there we go, then I reposition it. And when you lay it on the side, the reason I don't do it initially is because it's really bad on your fluids. And I like to use my body when I don't have a piece of wood with me. Now that's on there. Now I'm going to wait 5 minutes, let all the fluids drop, check the oil, and we're going to fire her up. Alright, let's check this oil. Oh yeah, and you can see how it's completely covered because it was on the side. Alright, let's see what we're sitting at. We are a little over full, but that's okay. Alright, let's fire her up. Alright guys, that was a quick blade change. Thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.